Hello, it's me, Professor. Ultra Light Pro Max Super. So let's begin. Conclusion. You need only one single piece of square paper. Okay. So take 10 into 10 centimeter square paper. Step 1. Make a diagonal from angle A to B and C to D. Fold. Then fold it. Then flip it and press it and watch carefully. Okay, make a pyramid like this which have 4 corners. Okay, then rotate it and hold like this. Okay, water base. Don't touch this part. Okay, hold it. Similarly from other side. Okay, then